students. I'm Anton Francis Italian, and this morning I'm going to demonstrate the CPR, or also known as cardiopulmonary resuscitation. So it is a combination of chest compression and rescue breathing, or it is a lifesaver technique. So first is check the area from front, back, up, down, and sides, and then approach the check the responsiveness and approach the person, ask help, and then first is do the verbal approach. So, hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? So negative response. Now do the physical approach. Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? Negative response. So do the universal help. So help, help, help. Hey sir, you wearing a white scrub suit. So I'm Aljun Francis Carion, trained first aider. So we are here now at Asian College, Butuan City. We have here unconscious person lying on the floor. So can you please call 911, give your number, and then don't drop the call, and then come back immediately. So now, do the LLF. Check the person from head to toe. So if there's any bleeding, check the side, and check the body, the back. If there's any injury, and then maximum tilt the head, and then check the airway. If there's any blockage, the eyes, and then the nose. So it's clean, ma'am. So now do the LLF. So open the chest. So your index and middle finger to the carotid pulse, and then the other hands to the abdomen. So 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. So negative response, negative pulse, negative breathe. So do the chest compression, 30 compression, 2 blows, and in 5 cycles. So diri kini yung ko 3 fingers.
Yes, Mr. No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Blow.
Release ang nose line. Pwede na mo transfer your, pwede po i-transfer, pero parang murag timay man, you just give your hand in the anak. Kanya, please the nose, watch shoulder, and then release.
Okay. So again.
Feel.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. So, negative, positive pulse, do the LLF. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. So, positive pulse, negative breathing. Now, do the rescue breathing. So, paano no? One blow, one blow. 1, 1002, 1003, 1001.
Release announcement.
1, 1002, 1003, 1002. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004. 1, 1002, 1003, 1005. 1, 1002, 1003, 1006. 1, 1002, 1003, 1024. So, do the LLF. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. So, positive pulse, positive breathing. So, now do the recovery position. So, raise the nearest hand and then the farthest hand to the abdomen, and then bend the farthest knee, and then assist the shoulder and the buttocks. So, the recovery position, slowly. And then now, do the check the patient, do DOTS. So, start from head. So, sir, are you okay? There's no sign of this. There's okay. Hey, sir, are you okay? There's no sign of deformities. Sir, how old are you, sir? There's no sign of open wound at the back. Sir, do you have any maintenance? So, no sign of tenderness. Then the leg part. Sir, where are you from, sir? Where do you live? Then there's no sign of swelling. So, now let the patient rest for 5 minutes and to allow the patients to vomit for to avoid aspiration. Then after that, back the patient to supine position. So slowly assist. And then close. And then in few minutes time, the ambulance will arrive and then turn over to the rescuer.
Will be brought to the nearest hospital
And brought to the nearest hospital.
for further assessment.
Yeah.
By the physician.